is permutation question. They say what? N permutation 2 is equals to 6. Find the value of n. First of all, we say that what? N permutation r is equals to what? N factorial over what? N minus what? R factorial. Here now, our n here is n, and our r is equals to 2. So then we are going to say what? N factorial over what? N minus 2 factorial is equals to 6. That's what they say. So then we are going to say n open bracket. We are going to say that for n minus 1 open bracket what? N minus 2 factorial is equals to 6 all over what? N minus 2 factorial. If here is n minus 3, we are going to say n minus 1 open bracket n minus 2 open bracket what? N minus 3. We now put factorial. So at this point, this minus n minus 2 factorial cancel what? N minus 2 factorial. So we are left with what? N open bracket n minus 1 is equals to 6. So we are going to say n times n will give us what? N squared, and n times minus 1 will give us what? Minus n is equals to what? 6. At this point, we are going to subtract minus 6 from both sides. We now say n squared minus n minus 6 is equals to 6 minus 6. Is the same as what? Let's minus 6 cross equal sign. Then we now have n squared minus n minus 6 is equals to 0. Now you can see this is now what? A quadratic equation. Two numbers that when we add or subtract will give us what? Minus n, and when we times them that will give us what? Minus 6. And I think that those number is what? When we have 2 minus 3. So let's say we put n here, we put n here. 2n minus 3n will give us what? Minus 1n, and that minus 1n is the same thing as n. And when we say minus 2n times minus 3n will give us what? Minus 6, because we are going to say n squared times 6. So we are going to have n squared plus 2n. Here is going to be what? Plus 2n minus 3n minus 6 is equal to 0. We have not changed any, because 2n minus 3n will give us what? Minus n. And when we say what? Plus 2n times minus 3n will give us what? Minus 6 squared, because this one. Now we can now have n squared plus 2n, we close our bracket. Then here we are going to have what? 3n minus 6, we close our bracket, is equals to 0. So what did they have in common? Both of them have n. We are going to factor n out. We are going to say n plus 2. Here you know that 3 can divide 3 and 3 can divide what? 6. We are going to have what? Minus 3 into n. Then we are going to say minus 6 divided by minus 3 is going to give us what? Plus 2 is equal to 0. So we are going to pick what? N minus 3. N minus 3. Then we pick what? N plus 2 is equal to 0. So at this point, we are going to say what? N minus 3 is equal to 0, or is 0. N plus 2 is equal to 0. So n is equal to be what? 0 plus 3. When this one cross right side, and n is equal to 3, or n is equal to 0 minus 2, and n is equal to minus 2. Remember that the value of n cannot be negative. So definitely the value of n is 3. Thank you. And when we have 3 combination 2 is 6. That is, we are going to have what? 3 factorial is the same thing as what? 3 times 2 times 1. 3 times 2 is 6 times 1 is also 6.